warmer, so I'm gonna make a salad, and it's gonna be a Turkish recipe. I just picked up that book from Amazon, the Ultimate Turkish Cookbook, and that's one of the first salads. It's a Turkish navy bean salad, Piyaz. Very easy, just mix everything and it's ready. So my ingredient would be some navy beans, some tomatoes. They call for green peppers. I don't have green peppers, so I will put random peppers. A red onion, some olives, some lemon for the wedges. For the vinaigrette, I will use lemon juice and olive oil. Some eggs that I will hard boil. That's the only cooking requested. Some pepper, of course, and some parsley. Very easy recipe, so you can display that in plates, and you layer the sliced vegetables on top of the navy beans, and then slice onions, lemon wedge, and olives. Or I will put that in a bowl, it's easier for me. So I will put the navy beans, and then my chopped vegetables, my sliced onion, lemon wedges, olives, and wedges of hard-boiled eggs that are preparing, and then the seasoning is lemon juice, olive oil, and pepper, because I don't salt anything. That's it. Tomatoes on top of the navy beans. Bell peppers are in, so of course it would have been better to have a green bell pepper because for the color, but I mean that will do. Some loosely chopped parsley. I prepare my seasoning, which is only lemon juice, olive oil, and pepper, and I will toss it in the salad. Toss the salad, and then I dispose the onion on top of it, and the olives and the eggs. Ahead, I toss the salad with the seasoning, and now I'm gonna slice the onions, the red onions. The red onions and the olives are in. I added the lemon wedges and the hard-boiled eggs, and we are ready to eat. That's it, this Turkish salad with navy beans and vegetables.